For the meta settings of your survey, there are two things that I specifically want to highlight. To access the meta settings, there are two buttons. First, the look and feel, and secondly, your survey options. Now, let's first go to the look and feel. What I want you to do is I want you to use your look and feel to make sure that your survey always contains a footer with an email that people can use to reach you. Now, as a group, a project group, I highly recommend you creating an email just for your survey project. And then include the email address here at the footer, in the footer, for everybody to use. To access the footer, you go to General here and to the footer. You can edit this to say please email us at tilburg@tilburg.edu, and this should be your email address. And you can see that now immediately this preview here is updating to show what you just filled in. This is a really nice way of customizing your survey so that people can always contact you when they run into trouble. For example, if all your participants get stuck halfway in your survey and you only mentioned your email address at the beginning, it's harder for them to find your contact details, and you may find out way too late that something is not correct. You can also do other stuff in the look and feel. I do not recommend you touching too many of these things because they will drastically impact your layout. But for example, you can change the way the next buttons look. You can change the colors, the general colors of your survey. You can also include a lot of other elements. Here in the general page, you can also change the progress bar and where it is. So you can really organize the meta layout of your survey.